and then in today's tutorial I'm going to be directing you in how to find your phone's local IP address without going in settings for those phones that don't open settings application, and for those who don't want to check the IP address from the settings. We're going to be downloading an application called HTTP Custom, and that is the application we're going to be using to set up to see what is our local IP address. So we're going to head over to Google Play Store. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Heading over to Google Play Store, then we are going to head over there where you search from, and then we search the VPN application called HTTP Custom, and we install it in our mobile device. This method can be working in countries like Uganda at the moment. You're going to come right here and then open the application. Remember that this tutorial is purposely for educational and informational purposes only. Users must first comply with the local laws, must accept the network service providers' terms and conditions before continuing to use such kinds of services. So we're going to head over to you're going to come, let me show you. You're going to be coming right here. We have logs, and then this will be our IP. That is our local IP address. So I've checked our local IP address using the HTTP Custom application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. If you get any problem and in your country that needs an IP address, so just come to the comment section, comment. I'm going to be providing you with everything at a low cost. I remain Marustech, and I do sign out.